Today, we're going to be ranking the top 10 best sounds in the entire world. Alright, so we're starting off strong with the Mac startup sound. Decent. Next up, we got the classic basketball swish. Superb. Very cool. It brings me nostalgia just to hear this noise. Honestly, it takes me back to my childhood. That shit goes crazy. God tier. Typewriter. Superb. Door stopper sound. Overhyped. I don't even know why I put this in the list. Decent. Ice breaking on a lake. God tier. This next one's for all my OGs out there. God tier. This song. Holy shit.